Okay, so I'm about to show y'all the easiest makeup I've ever done when I'm in a hurry. I've already moisturized with some SPF, so I'm just going to put on this e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Prep and Prime. This is my favorite. It's almost empty. This right here is really good if you're trying to like blur out. If you're an oily girl, this right here is what you want. Now that we've primed our face, we are going to color correct. Milani. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. Color correcting helps your makeup look so much better, like those dark spots and circles under your eyes. It just helps it give more of an even tone. Okay, as you can see, it looks a lot better. I'm going to set my face. Put a little bit of this Laura Mercier primer, powder, setting powder. I'm oily, so this helps me a lot. Be using the Dior. One pump. I'm just going around, let me move this up a little bit, around the outer parts of my face. We're going to conceal. I should have did my eyebrows first. I feel like sometimes when I contour my nose, it'd be crooked. Like I feel like today is one of those days. And I always bring my concealer up. I need to put just a tiny bit on my eyelids. Juvia's Place bronzer has a lot of fallout, so I always tap it and then blow it off before applying it. And I always go like right on top of my cheekbone. Right, then we're going to take what's left on the brush and just go over our eyes. Yeah, that looks a lot better. And I go right on top of that contour or bronzer. Heavy on the blush. Bring it around my brows. And then whatever's left from the blush, I just go over the lids again. All right, now we're going to do the brows and then we're almost done. The brows look a little not so natural, but we're just going to brush that out. Like if you keep brushing, it will get softer. I'm just going to take some setting powder, which is this. This one is actually the color of my foundation. I've had this for so long. So I'm going to take a little bit of that because it's loose powder. And then I'm going to go over everything. So all of this patchy will blend, and even like the contour and the, you know, the stuff. See? It all went away. It just blends. Now we're going to set the face again. That pretty much completes the face. This is what I do when I'm doing like a natural hurry up and go, hurry up and buy kind of look. I'm just going to use this KVD lip liner. Crucifix, y'all. This used to be my favorite. This one. And then I'm just going to go in with this Moth to Flame lip gloss by MAC. It does have a little bit of glitter in it. Lip liner. That's it. A quick natural look. This wig, y'all, update. I don't know how long I'm going to be wearing this. I've been tucking it and wearing it like this a lot. This pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial. Let me know if you try this and how it goes. Bye.